So I'm going to be talking about a study where I used a Google Earth engine to analyze forest laws and elephant corridors. Um, what are wildlife corridors? Corridors connect two or more large habitats. These are helpful for various reasons. They help in seasonal migration in long-range animals like elephants or dispersal of a large carnivore population, and also helps in maintaining genetic diversity. Um, at Wildlife Trust of India, along with several other organizations, has identified and mapped 101 such elephant corridors across 11 states in India. These are critical to allow unhindered elephant movement. This might not be an exhaustive list, but these are the corridors that we have right now. With a growing human population, these corridors are being fragmented and degraded by humans through agricultural practices and other developmental activities. This is often bringing the elephants into direct conflict with humans, leading to crop damage or sometimes fatalities for both humans and elephants. WTI is in the process of securing these elephant corridors. As of now, six elephant corridors have been secured, and this is one of the secured elephant corridors in Wayanad, Kerala. You can see the green patch showing the corridor itself, and the orange arrow showing the direction in which the elephant moves. Um, so For this study, I've used since forest loss is one of the major threats to these corridors. I wanted to quantify forest loss in these habitats. For this study, I've used Hanson's global forest change data set. It provides a base layer for the base forest layer for the year 2000 and forest loss from 2001 till 2018. This is available on Google Earth Engine and it gets updated every year. When I was researching about it, I found a similar study done by RSPB and BirdLife International for same forest loss in important bird areas. The script was also accessible, so I've used it and adapted it for my study. You can find the paper and script in the links provided below. So in my study, these are like a few examples of what results come out of this study. You can see the first graph showing average forest loss area in corridors in each of these 11 states in which the corridors are present. And also, there's an example of how a forest loss trend looks in one of the corridors in Assam. I've also shared a script, though I've not shared the corridors as such, but there's a script which runs on an example location where you can see how the script works. Um, so why are we doing this study? Um, The actual purpose was to help in prioritizing these corridors for conservation action. And the factors considered are the elephant population size of the corridors, the so from a large from between two large habitats, what is the population size that the corridors is helping in movement, and also the frequency of movement or usage, and also threats. In the study, we've got forest loss data, and we also look at land use patterns such as infrastructure development, human habitation, agriculture and land ownership type, etc. After prioritization, a plan for conservation and securement is done using one of these models. Um, So for the first model is the community securement model, where the community is convinced to set aside their land falling inside a corridor and making them as for village reserve forests or community conservation areas. This mostly works in the northeastern region of India. And then there is the public initiative model, where local stakeholders are sensitized and roped in to monitor the corridors. So they monitor the corridors for any new developmental activities, or even if for the usage for the how the elephants use these corridors during the year. And then there is the government securement model, where the focus is on policy advocacy work, providing national and state governments with technical assistance and soft hands for acquisition of key corridors. And then there is a private purchase model, where the corridor land is purchased, local people are rehabilitated, and the purchased land is transferred to the relevant state forest department for legal protection. Google Earth Engine was very helpful in um, analyzing forest laws, and it helps in prioritization and creating. We can use that for creating a plan for conserving it. Yeah, that's from my side.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah. Thanks, Shakti. That was really informative. Just a random question I had myself. What are the sizes of each of these corridors on average? You talked about
Um,
forest loss being one, two, three, but in percentage terms, is it great? Is it a large percentage as well?
uh, yeah, percentage wise, I should have data for you. As in percentage wise, the largest we've got is about 38% of the corridor forest
Oh wow.
being
Yeah.
degraded. And there are also corridors where there's not been any kind of degradation.
Okay.
So
Okay.
we are from 0 to 38% in the range is that.
Yeah. Yeah. No, that was fascinating. It's interesting to uh, see a data set like that being used so directly for a particular application. And
Yeah.
thank you.